Hello, welcome to otfdha TV. In today's recipe, we're just going to make quick peppered chicken. You know that peppered chicken that tastes so good, but it's just with very few ingredients. That is what I'm going to show you today. If that's something you're interested in, keep watching. This is a recipe for when you have very little time. Without wasting your time, let's start with the recipe. We're going to start with our chicken, properly washed chicken, and we're going to make sure we season this properly. This is where it starts, guys. First, I'm adding some onion, a teaspoon of thyme, 1.5 teaspoons of curry. This is just one chicken here. Some garlic and ginger. I love garlic and ginger in my chicken. What I did was that I pounded the garlic and ginger together. It's looking red because I pounded it where I pounded pepper too. Some salt, of course we're going to use salt, and some seasoning cube. I'm going to let this cook in its juices for a while before adding water. Time to add water to let this cook. Like I said earlier, it's soft chicken I'm using. You know, it doesn't take long to cook. After adding the water, I added one more seasoning cube. Added some bay leaves for more flavor. We'll cover this and cook for about 12 to 15 minutes. After it has cooked, it's time to fry. Like I said, this recipe is for when you don't have time. But if you have the time, you can actually do this in the oven to eliminate this much oil for our Fit Farm family. Make sure the chicken fries properly. I don't like my chicken too dry. I know some people like very dry meat. I don't like it that way. I just want it to be fried enough, dry enough, not that crisp dryness. Here's our fried chicken, ready to pepper it. So I'm just putting a little vegetable oil, putting a lot of onions. I like a lot of onions in this. It's just onions and pepper we're using, guys. Allow the onions for a few seconds, about 30 seconds. Then you add in your pepper. I did not pound my pepper smooth. This is how I wanted it. I added one seasoning cube and stirred for it to fry a bit. And as it's frying, it's releasing its flavor. Is there anybody here who likes pepper and onions? I love the combo. I can just sit down and eat this with yam or plantain, and it's okay for me. Goal here is not for the pepper and the onions to fry very much. You still want it to have a little bit of freshness, not for it to fry so much and get dry. I fried it for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now time for me to put the chicken. I'm putting the chicken and stirring just to make sure everything is coated properly. Guys, this might look very simple, just 2 ingredients, that's the pepper and the onions, but it is packed with flavor. Pepper and onions on their own have a lot of flavor. If you're watching this channel and you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. When you subscribe, click on the notification bell so that whenever videos are posted, you'll be one of the first to get them. I make recipe videos, cooking and baking videos on this channel. And allow it to heat up, and your peppered chicken is ready. It's as simple as that, as easy as that. If you like this recipe, please give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.